Okay, I'm going to show you a quick way to solve equations. So let's start with a very simple one. X plus 4 equals to 7. You should already know the answer in your head, but I just kind of want to walk through the very basics of solving an equation. So the first thing I want to do is represent it with a little bit of like pictures so that there's a picture in your head. So let's represent X with this like question mark. And let's represent the 4 with these 4 little positives. So then that would mean we need 7 little positives on the other side. So this is X. This is X plus 4 equals to 7. So what we want to do is figure out how to get that X by itself, because then we could figure out what X is. So we need to get rid of this plus 4. So conveniently, on both sides, I notice there's 4 positives. So I'm going to get rid of 4 on this side and get rid of 4 on this side. So therefore, you kind of see that you have this purple box, which equals to the 3 leftover pluses. And so that means that X is equal to 3. Okay, so let's do that on the math side. So this picture here is what's kind of going on in my head as I solve this equation. So let's do this algebraically. So the first thing that we did is we took away those 4 positives. In math, we call that subtracting. We subtracted 4. This makes sense because subtracting 4 is the inverse of adding 4. Like, it undoes it. It undoes adding. So in math, whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. So we subtract 4 to the other side. Okay, so the positive 4 and the minus 4, they subtract 4. Minus 4 is 0, leaving just an X on the left side and 3 on the right side. So this is our solution. So the wonderful thing about math is that we get to check our answers. So let's check our answer. First of all, I take this 3 and I plug it into where that X was. So then there's the 3 plus 4 equals to 7. And I just copy the rest of the equation. And then I simplify. Does 3 plus 4 equals to 7? Yeah, 3 plus 4 is the same as 7. And 7 equals to 7. Therefore, I'm like really happy because then it's gonna, it's the solution. And that's what solution means. It means it'll make a true statement when I plug it in. Okay, so now your turn. I want you to try solving X plus 5 equals to 12.